Hi y'all, welcome to another studio vlog. Today is Monday, December 21st. Are we right? Look at my calendar. Welcome to another studio vlog. Thank you for sticking around, for coming back. If you're enjoying these videos, I appreciate the love. Don't forget to subscribe if you want some more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I always never know what to say after I introduce myself. Let's just be real, you guys. I introduce myself and then I'm like, okay, what's next? Let's think. First and foremost, I feel like a ditz. I feel like a ditz because I made a big mistake, but thankfully it was caught before it got really big. Well, let me just say what it is. Let me not hold you in. Not suspicion. Suspension? 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 Is that the word? Let me not hold you in suspicion? Suspension? Suspense. Let me not hold you in suspense. I recently created these affirmation stickers with florals, beautiful design. Let me show them to you. Let me show them to you. Let me show them to you. Recently created these beautiful affirmation stickers. Let's see. Hold on. Beautiful affirmation stickers, right? Beautiful. Can you guys look and see what the issue is? Let's see if you can spot the error. Come on, camera, focus. Focus. Well, let me tell you what the error is. Right here. This is supposed to say I am abundant. What does it say? It says I am abundant. Abundant. A-B-U-N-A-N-T. Where's the D? Where is the D for abundant? Thankfully, Keisha went on the Etsy shop and she was about to purchase. And she was like, girl. She texted me so quick. I'm like, what? She's like, look. So I caught it before anyone else got to purchase it. Which means that I had to redo that. Just retype abundant to spell it correctly. Which I don't mind doing. That part is easy. But the part that I don't like is the photography piece. Let me not say hate, but I don't enjoy the photography process. I don't know why. I don't enjoy taking pictures of I just don't enjoy that part, like staging it and all that. It's just, you know, it's just a little, it's not the part that I enjoy. I enjoy the creating process. I enjoy the shipping it to you guys process. I enjoy listing it. I enjoy everything else except staging to take the photographs. But I say all that to say, fixed it, redid it, retook the photographs, relisted it, and now we're good to go. But that was utterly embarrassing and I was very upset with myself. And now I'll be spell checking double, triple, quadruple, and then have my husband check. And then I'm going to email Keisha and have Keisha check everything before I list it. So that's that. Okay, I got something else, you guys. New. Look what I bought. Hold on, don't go away. Okay, you guys, look what I got. Look what I bought. Are you ready? I'm about to change the game. I am about to change the game. Yes, I opened it already. Don't worry about that. I was too excited. I couldn't wait for you guys. You guys took a while, so I opened it without you. Oh, no. I bought a cinch. Can you see? You're probably like, what the heck is this? Girl, what is this? It's called a cinch. The cinch. It's this machine right here. You know what this machine does? It's a book binding machine. So the game is about to change. We're about to have notebooks, notepads, journals, planners. We're about to change the game. I bought a cinch. I plan on making notebooks, planners, just to see how far I can test my creativity. So those things should be coming. Look out for that. I will document the journey of trying to create these things. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but the ideas are there. But I just want to branch out, you guys. I don't want to limit myself. I don't want to limit my creativity. I refuse to limit my creativity. So I got the cinch. Now that I have the cinch and I am going to get ready to start making a few different stationery items, the first thing I wanted to start with was a to-do list, because it was to me the simplest thing that I can create really quickly without having to think too much into it. So I decided to start off with a checklist, a to-do list. And because I knew I was getting the cinch, I started doing the mock-ups on the computer on Canva, so that when it does come, I was already prepared. Took me a while, but I don't know yet. Let's see. What do you guys think? So this would be the front cover of the to-do list. It says, "Hello beautiful, do all the things." And it has like this burst of color, which I love. And this will be the back. And this is beautiful, you did that. Same thing. And I plan to put these on chipboard because I want it to be like a hard cover, a hard bound cover. So I did get the chipboard, and this is my practice piece. It's not perfect. I'm still cutting and trying to find the dimensions. But this is essentially what it will kind of look like without all this mess up right here. And this is the back. So imagine it'll be more centered and better design. The to-do list section itself is going to be like this. So we'll have the date. I'm thinking about removing the date because I just don't like the way it just looks by itself over there. It just looks like it doesn't belong. But it will be cool to have the date, but I don't know. But it says, "Hello beautiful, today I am grateful for," because gratitude is very important to me. I always start off my day with gratitude, and no matter what I'm doing, gratitude is like the forefront of everything, no matter how small it is. And then also some things that you can check off for your daily tasks before you even start the task. Did you work out today? Did you lift them weights? Did you stretch? Did you yoga? Any kind of physical activity? Did you walk? Anything like that. Did you journal today? Because journaling is very important to me. I journal basically every single day. Meditate. Meditation is a little bit hard for some people, and it was for me. But you basically have to define what meditation is for you. Meditation comes in many different forms. It could be a long 20-30 minute medication. It could be a 5-10 minute medication. Wow. A long 30-minute meditation. Or it could even be a 5-10 minute meditation. But do some kind of mindful breathing, slowing down, closing your eyes, visualizing, and just focusing on your breath and just meditating just to clear your mind. It helps, you guys. It helps. And last but not least, did you hydrate? Did you drink that water though? Are you taking care of your skin? Did you hydrate? And then it has 10 lines of things to do. Boop, 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 10 things to do. And basically at the end of the day, today I feel. I think I should change this to today I felt. I don't know yet. Today I feel, today I felt. Happy, sad, tired, or sick. And on the back of it is just a note, because I didn't want the back to be empty. And I thought about putting the same to-do list on the back as well, but I don't know, I felt like giving you something extra, so it's just a simple notes section for you to just take notes. YouTube family, guess what? I sold out again. Again. I can't believe I did this again. This is from my KWANZAA stickers. Again, sold out. I first sold out the original KWANZAA stickers, and now this one I just sold out of the stickers with the symbols. I want to cry. Like, someone just bought all of them that I had listed. I mean, I'm going to relist it, but someone just bought everything. I'm so humbled and thankful. I want to cry. Like, this is why, like, when I thought about creating these stickers, I didn't know. I didn't know. Like, I knew there was a need for it, but you guys know I can't draw. I can't draw. I am not an artist, but I'm learning. I can't. I'm so thankful. So thankful. So thankful. Let me start packing this order because today is December 22nd, so I would assume they would need this for KWANZAA, which starts in a few days. So let me just package this order and try to get it out as soon as possible to them because shipping is crazy right now with USPS, and I want to make sure they get this order as soon as possible. But I'm just so thankful. Thankful. I don't want to show you anyone's information, but can you guys see it? It says right there in the red, it says sold out. It just happened. Sold out. Hey YouTube family, struggles. I wanted to share with you guys the struggles. I wanted to put a finish over it so that it will be like water resistant and it will have a nice sheen to it but not too glossy. So my idea was to use Mod Podge. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this. This is my first time using Mod Podge and I've been experimenting with it now for a few days trying to get this right, and no matter what I do, I can't get it right. I can't. This is the current train wreck. It leaves it, first of all, it gives it bubbles and ripples, and this is not fully dried yet, but even when it's fully dried, the ink is the ink is smeared. This is one that's fully dried and this is the train wreck. I think the issue is the paper that I'm using, because I had leftover printer label papers that I wanted to use because I'm not using those papers anymore and I did not want to waste it. So I think that is the issue, and I'm just like, I don't know what else to do because I'm watching the videos. The people put Mod Podge on the paper and it's just not it. So then now I tried this different sticker paper, still fairly inexpensive, but the color, I don't know how to show it to you guys, but it is still causing, okay, like, do you see that there's some pink there? And if you look good enough, you can't really tell, but it's still causing the colors to run. And then when it dries, it still has, okay, here's one that I did a few days ago that dried and it has the streak marks. I don't like the streaks. I don't particularly care for the streaks. So I'm just in the process trying to find the right paper that will go with the to-do list, because I love this product and I want to have it available to you guys as soon as possible. But it's just a struggle, you guys, because I don't want it to just be regular printed paper. I want to make sure it is printed properly and that, you know, you can take it on the go with you and it won't get destroyed or dirty or dull looking. So I wanted to have some kind of protective coating on it and have a good, nice look to it. So I'm still in the process. I'm still working. Wish me luck. Yeah, just wish me luck. Wish me luck. Or if you have any other suggestions. My next suggestion though is to print it on glossy printer paper, glossy sticker paper, and I think that should just fix my issue. But I have so much of this particular paper that I was using to print my Etsy labels, and it already comes pre-sliced, and I really wanted to use that paper because it's really I have so much left and it's really inexpensive, but I'm not going to let price mess up my quality. Quality is number one. So I think I'm just gonna bite the bullet and print it on glossy sticker paper, and that should just fix the whole issue. I think I fixed it. So I printed it on glossy sticker paper. You can see the shine, a little sheen, which means it already has a sheen. I don't have to use Mod Podge to add any luster or shine to it. The shine is not too overbearing, which is what I like. I don't like too much of a shine, and I think this would work. But now I have to manually cut this to make the front and the back. The other paper was already pre-cut, but you guys already saw the issue with that. I think I'm happy. Hey YouTube family, voiceover Nardia here. Just want to let you guys know that you guys can get this beautifully designed desktop wallpaper and matching phone wallpaper for free. Yes, just click the link in my bio. Well, in the description bar, not bio. Click the link in the description bar and sign up for my newsletter. Once you sign up for my newsletter, you do get monthly freebies, and this is the freebie for the freebie. This is the freebie for the month of January. So for January, I'm offering this beautifully celebrate with gratitude, a celebration desktop wallpaper and matching phone wallpaper. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys click it enjoy, use it, and then get ready for more monthly freebies. All right, thank you. That's it for the vlog. I think the vlog is done here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you see, if you enjoy the content, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like what you saw as well. And I hope to see you guys next time in the next vlog. Bye.